The moment I found out my business partner had drained our accounts and fled, I felt like my world had shattered. Standing in our empty office, the weight of betrayal heavy on my shoulders, I faced a choice: sink or swim. With nothing left to lose, I threw myself into rebuilding from the ground up, driven by a fire I never knew existed. Sleepless nights and relentless hustle became my new normal, and slowly, I found my stride. The business I rebuilt was stronger, more resilient, and entirely mine. That betrayal unearthed a strength I didn't know I had. In the end, I realized that sometimes, the worst moments in life are just the beginning of something extraordinary.